Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. A shabby chic dream. Rosy florals and whispers of white. You know that feeling when you walk into a space and it just feels like a hug? That's the magic we're chasing today. We're talking about crafting a shabby chic home, that wonderfully worn-in, effortlessly elegant style that celebrates imperfections. And our secret weapon? Wallpaper. Not just any wallpaper, but delicate, romantic floral patterns in the softest rose pink and crisp white. This isn't about creating a perfect museum, but a lived-in, love-filled sanctuary. It's about blending vintage charm with cozy comfort, where every piece has a story. So let's wander through the dream house together and gather some ideas that feel less like rules and more like inspiration. Imagine a cottage-style house with peeling, soft white paint that shows hints of gray undertones through the years. The front door might be painted in a faded rose pink, with a slightly tarnished brass knocker. Climbing roses in blushing pink scramble up a trellis by the entry, echoing the florals waiting inside. In the garden, white hydrangeas and old-fashioned pink roses tumble over themselves in a purposely casual way. A weathered wrought iron bistro set sits on a flagstone path, just begging for a morning coffee. The whole vibe is welcoming, gentle, and quietly romantic before you even step inside. Opening that pink door, you're greeted by a small hall papered in a sprawling white background floral with roses in muted pinks. The pattern is large and dreamy, setting the tone for the whole house. A distressed white console table holds a jug full of fresh garden roses, their scent mingling with the old wood. A vintage, oval-framed mirror with silvering flaws hangs above it, reflecting the soft light. Underfoot, a faded Persian rug in similar rosy tones adds warmth and another layer of patina. You instantly feel transported, as if you've stepped into a cherished, timeless story. This is the heart of the home, where comfort reigns supreme. Maybe just one focal wall has the rose floral paper, while the others are painted a warm white to keep it airy. A supremely squishy sofa, draped in a white slipcover that's meant to rumple, faces a chunky, painted coffee table bearing the marks of use. Mix in a delicately curved rose-pink armchair and lots of textured throws and pillows in linen and lace. The key is layering. A vintage trunk as a side table, stacks of books, and candle holders of crystal and tarnished silver. It feels collected, not decorated, and utterly inviting for a long chat. Here we go full dreamscape. Imagine the ceiling sloping over a wrought iron bed frame, painted white and slightly chipped. The walls are a sanctuary of rose and white florals, perhaps in a smaller ditzy print that feels like a vintage dress pattern. Sheer white curtains filter the sunlight, and the bed is heaped with a mix of quilts, a chenille bedspread, and an avalanche of Euro pillows in white shams. A vanity table with a skirt and a mismatched, painted stool holds perfume bottles and a porcelain dish for jewelry. It's a room that whispers slow mornings and feels like a permanent retreat. Think of gatherings that linger for hours. A long farmhouse table with painted legs and a scrub top sits under a statement chandelier. Maybe crystal, maybe just painted white with candle bulbs. The walls here could feature a more formal, vertical trellis-style rose pattern to add height. Mismatched chairs, all in shades of white and pale pink, surround the table. A huge, weathered hutch displays heirloom china, where the pink rose on a plate might wink at the wallpaper. Meals here feel special, yet completely unfussy and grounded in real connection. Shabby Chic loves a kitchen that looks well used and loved. White cabinetry, with doors slightly sanded at the edges to hint at years of use, is classic. For our floral touch, consider papering just the back of open shelves, or in a glass front cabinet behind your display of white dishes. Open shelving holds stacks of creamy pottery and wire baskets of linens. Butcher block counters and a classic farmhouse sink add practicality. A simple bunch of pink peonies in a mason jar on the windowsill is the perfect, fresh finishing touch. We're creating a little boutique hotel feel here. A freestanding clawfoot tub, preferably with an antique brass faucet, is the star. Picture a chair rail with soft white paint below and a gorgeous moisture-resistant rose floral paper above. Plush white towels hang from a repurposed vintage ladder. A weathered wooden stool holds soaps and a candle. The mirror could be an ornate, gilded frame where the gold is gently fading. It's a space that turns a quick shower into a moment of pampering, wrapped in soft romantic patterns.